I reached out to the Snider Family Farm to do a hands-on experience in my classroom for my zoology students. She was able to bring in 6 animals for my kids to get a hands-on experience. It was kind of something that I wanted to do personally for my kids, and so I reached out on my own and spoke to administration, and so I reached out to them on Facebook and gave them a call and saw if that was kind of something that I could do and was able to do in my classroom.
We brought them to interact with the kids and teach them a little bit about each species we have. I think it went very well. The kids were very calm and collective and really easy with the animals.
It's cool to see how when they're in the wild, but also versus when they're tamed in the classroom or just with people, then you can calm them down.
They had a amazing experience, like a once-in-a-lifetime experience that some of them will never get to have again. I really enjoy doing hands-on and real-world experiences for my kids.
They're nocturnal, so she's going to sleep every chance she gets. Do you want to hold her? This is an everyday job for me. I attend to all the animals. We don't really go to schools quite that often, but I'm hoping to change that to teach people a little bit more about exotic animals.
One thing I hope that it might spark an interest in some of my students, so kind of a career exploration experience for them, and to see kind of things that we won't get to see here, and so maybe that'll spark something in them for their future.
I think it makes me really happy because I enjoy working with the animals every day and getting to see the kids see animals that they've never seen before, be hands-on with them, and the joy it brings to them. It's really neat.
Okay, it's time for you to go. You already don't want it?
No, I got it.
Just to see my students' faces and getting to see the excitement that they had in this experience made it worth it for me.